Displaying FPS is actually really easy and it won't even take that long. First thing you need to do is come up to the 3 lines in your project and then add a new extension and just search up the FPS and it should come up as the first one. And then install this into your project. Now we need to add a text item. I'm just going to name mine FPS, resize it, and it doesn't matter what you put here, I'm just going to put 0. And then we'll move this, make sure this is in your box if you're making a 3D game, same with 2D. And then we need to have a UI layer, so just add a layer and then make a UI one. You can rename it to that. And then select your FPS thing and put it on the UI layer. And then we need to go back here and add a behavior and search up FPS and add FPS displayer. Now before we preview the game, you can come up to properties and icon and you can limit your FPS so it'll be set to 60, and then if you do 0 then it just limits it to your monitor refresh rate. So mine's 180, so that's how much FPS I'll be able to run, but you can limit this to whatever you want. So if I preview, then I'll be running 180 FPS.